One of the most common concerns about EVs is how they handle in extreme temperatures. Cold winters, hot summers, do they affect range? And the answer is yes, but with the right habits, it is easy to adapt to. In this lesson, we'll look at what to expect in different climates and how to use tools like preconditioning to make ownership stress-free. Let's start with cold weather. So when temperatures drop, EV range can temporarily fall as well by 20% or even more. And that's because the battery needs to stay warm to operate efficiently, and heating the cabin also uses a little bit more energy in the winter. Now you might notice reduced regenerative braking as well until the battery warms up. Well, the good news is Teslas and most EVs have built-in thermal management systems to keep the battery at a safe temperature. But what can you do as the owner and driver? Well, the best habit is to precondition the vehicle while it is still plugged in, specifically let's say in the morning. Using the Tesla app, you can schedule the car to warm up the battery and cabin before you leave in the morning. That way, the energy for heating comes from the outlet, not the battery. So you start your trip with a warm cabin, a warm battery, and full range. It also restores regen braking faster, making the car feel more natural to drive even in the cold weather. Now let's flip to hot weather. High heat can also impact range because cooling the cabin and keeping the battery cool also draws more energy. Teslas automatically regulate the battery temperature though, but you can save range by pre-cooling the cabin while plugged in as well. Similar to in the winter, just the opposite. Again, the Tesla app makes this simple as well. You can start the AC, say 10-15 minutes before leaving, and the car is ready when you are without draining the battery. Another tip in both hot and cold weather is to keep your car plugged in whenever possible. EV batteries are designed to stay healthiest when they're connected to power. The car manages its own temperature more effectively that way, and you'll always wake up to a full battery. There's no worrying about overcharging the battery. These batteries are extremely intelligent and are going to regulate when or not it needs to pull juice. It's also worth mentioning that EVs can actually have some advantages in extreme weather. In the cold, you get instant cabin heat since it's all electric and uses, say, a heat pump to heat the interior cabin. There's no waiting for an engine to warm up before blowing hot air into the cabin. And in the heat, well, Teslas can run the AC while parked without idling like a gas vehicle, which is great for things like dog mode or just keeping the cabin comfortable while you run in and do some errands. The key takeaway is this: climate does impact EV performance quite a bit actually, but with smart habits like preheating and pre-cooling while still plugged in, keeping your car connected and using the Tesla app, you'll hardly notice and adapt your lifestyle to it.